So, ang akong topic sini nga adlaw is about Occupational Medicine Week and ang mga common na mga diseases nga makita naton sa workplaces. So, sa sini maga-discuss kita sang significance sang Occupational Medicine Week no in promoting ang health sang aton mga trabahador kag ang pag-prevent sang mga masakit no, to identify common diseases encountered in various workplaces and also to encourage the institutions and organizations to adopt no occupational safety and health programs, whether sa private man or sa government, and also to strengthen our awareness on maintaining healthy and safe working environment. So, introduce ko na yung akon nga specialty, which is occupational medicine. Diri sa province of Negros Occidental, ang specialty nga ini dugay na, no? Nag-start ini sang 1977 diri sa Negros Occidental. So, ma 50 years na siya next year, if I count it correctly. No? So, ang occupational medicine, isa ni siya ka-branch sang medicine nga ang concern niya is sa pag-promote kag pag-maintain sang physical, mental, and social well-being sang aton ng mga workers in all occupations to the highest degree, no? Not only gina-prevent naton, ga-diagnose kita, kaga-manage sang mga diseases and injuries related sa work kag sa ila workplace environment. Also, the protection of workers from risks resulting from factors adverse to health. So, involved diri ang medical surveillance, aton risk assessment, health promotion, kag workplace safety programs. So, ang Occupational Medicine Week, no, ginaselebrar diri sa Philippines every third week of March, no? It was declared, no, by former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte through Presidential Proclamation number 1316, no? Na ang every third week of March is Occupational Medicine Week. And this is being led by the Occupational Safety and Health Center under the Department of Labor and Employment. No, sila na aton nga lead agency sa pag-implement sini. And in collaboration, ang Philippine College of Occupational Medicine naga buligman celebrar sini. No? So, ang goal sa Occupational Medicine Week is to raise awareness of occupational injury prevention, control, and worker health protection. So, gina-promote naton ang safe workplace through educational activities, industry collaboration, kag policy discussion. We also aim to reduce occupational injuries, no? Dapat manubuin ang mga occupational injuries, mga diseases, mga disabilities, and all the more deaths, no?